weather, good weather bubbles finally burst, hasn't it? It's the 20th of June today. Just come back down to Clowne just to have a look how they're getting on with the old station restoration. Hopefully you enjoyed that collection of old photographs. Apologies for the noise on the first part of this video from the lorry. It is a working site that I'm filming on, but it's not there for the whole of the video. First things first, let's get underneath that shelter. Clowne's very own wild swimming experience. Bonus summit there, isn't it?
That one station master.
Does look a bit big. It's hard to talk because of the lorry. They come back inside actually. It must be 30 years or more since all this bit that they're excavating with that grabber has been exposed. They're finding old bits. Bits as old. I think there's a bit of a brake shoe drain there. Lots of old bricks. The foundations of the platform, obviously not intact, but just crumbled. A lot of masonry, a lot of sandstone. Should probably show you around, shouldn't I? So since we came, what was it now, 2-3 weeks ago, I was hobbling around here on one crutch. This ballast wasn't here. This ballast's arrived last week, I think it was. Adam sent me the photos. Over here. Looks a lot better now, doesn't it, that track? A bit of ballast around it. Just have a wander up the ramp where they've been doing a lot of work. I couldn't really get up here last week, obvious reasons, but let's have a look. So Adam was, folks were in the process of filling this in. As you can see, that's the extent. I did put out a request last week if anybody's willing to help out or offer any tarmac or anything like that up here. Just shout up, always looking for help. So yeah, last time I came up here these fences weren't here, were they? Every time I step outside of this this tunnel portal, it starts hammering it down again. There is a nice little local link for this ballast as well. That's been brought now. I believe it's not confirmed. I believe this is taken from out on the Oxcroft colliery line. just after it's gone over the M1 where they used to do the sorting. Huge mounds of railway ballast. The last time we were down there, just still left in situ. It's kind of going to waste. So I suppose just to have a little bit donated to a project like this, keep it local. And there is more ballast arriving today, but I don't think I'm going to be around to see it. But they're just putting the protection for the weeds down there. Then all that's going to be landscaped, so they've flattened out that bit just so it's going to look nice when it's eventually finished. Anyway, I'll leave it there. I'll be back as usual in a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, whatever, whenever I get the chance to come down again, and we'll see what progress they made by then. So cheers for watching, and we'll see you soon.